Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Not That Tough. So today we are going to learn how to draw banners or ribbons because the technique is same for both the things. These banners are used to highlight some important text you don't want to be missed. You can also use this banner to write a slogan or quotation in your poster drawing. Just by drawing this small banner, you can make a big difference to your creativity. If you have already used these banners, please let us know in comment box so that we can have a brighter idea of using it. You may have got an idea of the third pencil which is not in use actually. I am using 2 pencils here, but I have taken 3 pencils. The third pencil is used here to create wider lines. If you want the lines less wider, you can remove the pencil kept in between, and if you want the lines more wider, you can keep 2 pencils here. I would love to see your drawings if you are creating these banners or some more patterns of banners. Please share your creativity with me on Pinterest. If you like the idea, please let me know in comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. The links of Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook are already given in my About box. Please follow me there.